Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable console sharing on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, basically guys, if you want to enable console sharing, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then here you're gonna find all of your settings, accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts. And then right here, you're gonna find accounts, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, other, login settings, and lastly, delete users. Go ahead and click on other. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find console sharing and offline play, restore licenses, and lastly, sign out. Go ahead and click on console sharing and offline play. And then once you do that, from here, you're gonna be able to enable console sharing from this account. If you want to disable it, as you can see guys, in my case, it's already enabled. So I'm gonna click on disable to disable this option. And then you're gonna be able to disable console sharing. If you want to enable it again, go ahead and click on your profile, and then go right here to settings, again users and account, other, and then click on console sharing and click on enable. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.